Hey everyone, I'm John, your carnivore teacher, and today we're diving into a hot topic, literally. Should we be eating our ruminant meat raw, rare, or cooked to death? Short answer, raw or rare wins. Every time. Now before you freak out, let's get this straight. I'm talking about high quality, clean ruminant meat like grass-fed beef, lamb, or bison, not your gas station sushi or industrial chicken. These animals are designed by nature to be safe. They have a different gut biology. They're less prone to parasites, and their meat, especially when pasture raised, is clean, dense, and bioavailable in its raw or lightly cooked form. Let's start with what cooking actually does. Cooking meat, especially at high temperatures, damages fragile nutrients. Vitamin C, gone. Some B vitamins, destroyed. Enzymes and cofactors, cooked out. And the more you cook it, especially to well done, the more you're denaturing the proteins, oxidizing the fats, and even producing toxic compounds like HCAs and AGEs, advanced glycation end products. That char on your steak, that's not flavor, that's cellular damage waiting to happen. But when you eat your ruminant meat raw or rare, you preserve heat-sensitive nutrients like B6, B12, creatine, and taurine, natural enzymes that aid in digestion, intact amino acids in their most absorbable form, and you completely avoid those toxic compounds that form when meat gets overcooked. You'll also find raw or rare meat is easier to digest, especially for those of us on carnivore or zero-carb diets. There's less work for the stomach to do, less inflammation and unstable nutrition. Now, is raw meat risky? Not if you're smart about it. Source matters. You want meat from healthy, pasture-raised ruminants, ideally grass-fed, processed in a clean, inspected facility. This is not the same as eating raw pork or raw chicken. Those animals are monogastric and carry much higher risks of parasites and bacterial contamination. Ruminants are in a class of their own. Here's the real deal. Humans have been eating raw or minimally cooked meat for millennia. Our ancestors didn't drag steaks to 160 degrees. They sliced into fresh kills and ate them warm and bloody. That's natural. That's species appropriate. So if you're on this path, carnivore, keto, ancestral, don't be afraid to go rare or even raw. You'll feel the difference. You'll digest better. You'll get more out of the food, and you'll skip the inflammatory byproducts that come with charring the life out of your steak. If this helped flip your thinking, do me a favor and like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I've got more truth bombs coming that you won't hear from mainstream nutrition. And before I leave you, I don't follow this all the time. I do love my meat, rare or raw on the inside, but I love the outside to be charred. So I am doing a little bit of that bad stuff to the outside of my meat, but I'm also preserving the inside of my meat where I'm getting all the good nutrients. So I wanted to throw that in there. I'm John, the carnivore teacher, reminding you we didn't evolve with microwaves. We evolved with meat. Have a spectacular day.